Hello everyone, James again from KSTHL Labels. So, custom logo woven label. Okay, let we start daily sample review. So every morning I needed to check the new samples finished from last night, and if the quality is okay. So if the samples quality is okay, and then we can start the bulk production. This is MIUMIU is specially made for our woven labels. So this MIUMIU nuts can check in whether the yarns is arranged neatly for our woven labels, and we can check the density, quantity, how many yarns used, so that means we can check the quality of the woven label. Sometimes there are samples needed to do change 3 to 5 times to achieve our final results, because sometimes the letters are not very clean and not very neat, so we have to do a lot of times to trials, and then we can get the best results. So every time that's like this, so I needed to check the labels, use my magnifier. When do I use this magnifier to check our labels, the quality? I can see every yarn is very clean under the magnifier, so almost working like this. You can get very clean the every yarns very clean under the magnifier. Okay, thank you.